everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today I would like to teach you how to use single keyboard and mouse for multiple screens. So as you can see, I have this Ubuntu and I have Windows here. So I will use my Linux to host the keyboard and mouse. So this is the host. Then I will share my keyboard and mouse from Ubuntu to Windows. So let's go to the steps. So firstly, we will install the barrier in the host computer. So we open the terminal, we will type sudo apt install snapd, and let's now install barrier. Okay, so now barrier is now installed. As you can see, okay. So next, so since this is server, select server, and this is now the IP address. Okay, let's configure now. So click here and drag, and now we will name it based on the name of the other computer. So firstly, let's leave that as is, and we will configure first the Windows computer. So now we are on the other computer, the Windows computer, and we'll go to barrier story and go to the releases. Be sure that it is the same version as the other computer. So let's double check. By going in the help and here. So 240. Right. So now it's 240 here. So it's the same. And let's download this exe file. Okay. So now it has been downloaded. So let's install this. Right. It's now installed. So the name is laptop G213QOAB. So let's go to the host computer and configure the server and drag this thing on the left side because it's on the left side, and we'll name it as root. So be sure the alias should be the actual name of the computer, G213QOAB. So okay, so that's the name. Then hit OK. So okay. So let's also have to take a look at the other configuration. So be sure that this port is the same as the client port. So let's go here and let's type 24800 and okay. So let's change this as client because this is a client computer, and let's change the IP address to the IP address of the host computer, which is 1 192.168.254.110. So click start, and also let's start the server also, and let's check. Oh, the mouse is not going inside the client computer, so let's check what happened. So it says SSL certificate doesn't exist. So to fix this issue, let's go to the barrier and change settings. Let's disable the SSL. And now it's not going to the client still. Let's restart this. Start it again. Okay, now it's going to the client computer. So you can now minimize this. You can close this. It's still running on the background. So you can now do what you want. So you can watch movies or listen to music while you are working on your project here. So imagine if you have designs and you are just using a single computer. So it's hard for you to switch from one screen to another and another, switch again, then switch again. So if you have this kind of setup, so you can just put your design here on the left side while doing the coding. So I hope this video is helpful, especially for your development. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so that you will be updated, and also don't forget to like, comments below if you have any questions. Thank you guys. Bye bye.